To transfer money from PayPal to RTM, start by logging into your PayPal account. Click on Wallet at the top middle of the page. Then select Link a Card or Bank from the side menu. If you're in the US, you'll see the option to link a US bank account. If not, simply click Link a Bank Account as they serve the same purpose. Next, enter the information for your US virtual account provided by RTM, including your account type, which should be checking, routing number, and account number. After entering this information, you'll need to confirm your bank account, which may involve PayPal sending a couple of small transactions to your account for verification. If you encounter any issues during this process, you can contact RTM's support team via email at support@rtm.com for assistance. Once your RTM bank account is successfully connected to your PayPal account, you can transfer funds by going to the Home tab, scrolling down to the Transfer Funds section, and clicking on it. Then, select Transfer to your bank, and choose your RTM bank account as the destination. Your funds will then be transferred to your RTM account.